Alright guys, found a couple things. Check this out. Oh man, self-clearance. Missing a lock nut. These have these little sheet metal lock nuts which probably don't do anything. I think this is bent. And check this out, right here. That's cracked, so that's sucking up air. And then this gear here is pretty loose. A lot of backlash, I feel. What else did I find? One of these pistons is a little loose. I'm thinking there's a bushing right in the rod. The rods look nice and straight, so I don't see any issues there. Yeah, pretty interesting. This camshaft, yeah, this is what I want to show you here. If I can rotate it around. These lobes, so much wear on these lobes, man. Anyways. It's very peaky, which I'm not a fan of.
You attacked them last night. You attacked your husband?
Alright. Time to order some parts, I'm thinking.
Dice drinks.